Hello, this is my recording of my learning assessment number 1 due on January 14th. The following program that contained 11 errors, we were required to find them all, and so I went through and I highlighted everything that I changed. The first one was line 2. After creating a class, there needs to be a curly bracket. Second one, line 3, it just said public static main, so we had to add in the void. The third one, also line 3, after the word string, we needed to add in the rectangular brackets. The fourth one was on line 4. Hello world needed to be in quotation marks. The fifth one, line 5, the S in system needed to be capitalized. And the number 6, line 5, the P in print needed to be lowercase. Number 7, also line 5, the question mark needed to go inside of the quotation marks, not outside. Number 8, system.out.print line needs to be followed by a semicolon. That was number 8. Number 9, it just had system.print, so we needed to add in the out so that it's system.out.print. And then there needed to be a second parenthesis. And then the last one would be adding in this curly bracket in order to close public static void main. So this was the first one, this was the second one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 curly brackets. And then this asked what output was produced by the code. So it would basically be everything within the quotation marks here. Step is 7'1". And then within here, this is where it starts. So the string is, and then quotation marks because the backsplash doesn't show up. The line. And then is an empty message. So the string, quote, quote, is an empty message. Period. And then system.out.print, and then if you print this, it will output this. Okay, thank you.